Enjoying specialty coffee at home is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Get a machine that delivers the 4 keys, like a professional machine. Step 2. Get specialty beans sourced from the best roasters. Step 3. Hone your skills to master the perfect cup. An espresso machine alone can't produce a coffee like your favorite cafe. You need the right beans and skills too. With beans.com, we've made it easier. We've sourced the best beans from the best roasters, so you can browse and select from an extensive variety. Plus, enjoy roaster direct pricing and free delivery. We'll then send you tailored onboarding and dial-in videos, so you can start pulling shots in no time. Just register your machine, activate the Fast-Track Barista Pack, and receive 2 free bags of coffee to get you going. Then, when you order more, you'll start earning cashback. The Fast-Track Barista Pack, the simple shortcut to becoming a home barista.